Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Washington County and east central New York, east central Schenectady County and east central New York, northeastern Albany County and east central New York, northern Rensselaer County and east central New York, southeastern Saratoga County and east central New York until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Clifton Park and moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Coahus and Drowned Lake by 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Waterford by 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Mechanicville by 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Hoosick Falls and Cambridge by 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Please report hail size, damaging winds and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov or on Facebook at www.facebook.com/US National Weather Service.albany.gova. Severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for northern Connecticut and western Massachusetts and eastern New York and southern Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Albany, Rensselaer, Saratoga, Schenectady, and Washington. Severe